I believe this one is the least used feature in Power Query and it's really cool and helpful. So for example, I want to extract this number. Okay. So some of them has pattern like underscore number and then underscore. Some of them doesn't. So let me try using this column from example. And I'm going to say, okay, I need this one. And you can see it fill all the data except this one. You can see that it's picked this 36.xlsx. So I'm going to say, okay, this is 36. And then I'm checking again, and then we have space. So I'm saying, okay, this is going to be 41. And I believe this is all. And you can see that if I just say this, then you can see this formula. Okay, the text dot select, and you can see this is cool, nice formula. Now this is really good. And let me try again. So column from example, I'm going to say 1, and you can see the formula as well here, the text dot between delimiter underscore and then underscore 1 and 0. You can see that this is writing the formula as you type out all of this thing. So when I say okay 36, then you can see it's text dot remove, then it's pick some weird formula here. And when I say okay this is 66, then it picked the correct formula. That's it. Thank you.